Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto content. And today we are going to be talking about HBAR. So for all you HBAR bearings out there, I just want you guys to comment down below your current price predictions for HBAR, short term, not long term. I just love to hear your guys' thoughts on it. So with that being said, let's jump into it. So HBAR has been showing some strength recently. Currently, we just broke down below 18.5 cents on that support zone. Now, what I'm going to be talking about are two prices. I'm going to be talking about these two right here. Now, the level that we're at right now is very significant. And the reason why I say that is because on Bitcoin, so if we actually go to the current price, which is like around right here, now that is a good price point from June 27th. If we come back here to June 27th, this was basically that June 27th price. We're pretty much at that level now. What I want to talk about is the price from here, from this July 16th and also July 17th date. These two prices are very significant on Bitcoin because even if we go back to June 25th, and even if we go to the June 26th, if we actually look back here, we could see that the price of HBAR was significantly lower when Bitcoin was at those levels. So we are showing a lot more strength opposed to, our past previous cycles, or patterns, I should say, in terms of price action when Bitcoin does go lower. I've actually noticed now when Bitcoin actually rises in price, we rise significantly higher in price every single time. Now, Bitcoin's kind of doing its thing right now, currently trading at about 32K overall. I'm not going to be happy until we get back to 33.5K overall. I still think that we can come down lower, maybe do something like what we're doing now before something like this, bounce off of that 30K support. That would be very interesting to see, and then we can go all the way to the moon. Something like that would be very interesting to see. Wouldn't surprise me overall. It's just my overall opinion. Now, we have been showing some strength at that 31K, so who knows? But I just wanted to kind of do a deep dive in on the strength aspect of HBAR. So with that being said, I want to jump into some more exciting news. Now, the first one, I'm going to be talking about this. Now, this is actually in regards, if you will, in regards to the strength aspect of HBAR. Now, we are seeing whales have spent past $2 million in the past 3 weeks on HBAR. If that doesn't tell you anything, I don't know what will. Whales that spend that much know something big is about to happen. Now, honestly, even this guy says, right, past 3 weeks, try $2 million just the other day. Over the past 3 weeks, it's been closer to about $10 million. And I just want to say, yeah, I mean, it really is, accumulation's happening on HBAR at a significant rate. I have been buying pretty much anything under around 18 cents. Now, that's just my personal buy zone. I have been trying to accumulate as much as I possibly can at that level. Sorry, excuse me. And the reason why is because I want to bring down my buy average, which my buy average is around like 20 cents overall right now because I have been accumulating heavily under 30 cents, which again, I have no problems with because I do know long term where HBAR is actually going to be headed. I just know that, $2 is inevitable for HBAR. So for me personally, I accumulate as much as possible at current levels and even below 18 cents. My biggest buy zones, like my buy targets are still at those zones that I mentioned, which are like 16 cents and even 15 cents, which I know a lot of people are probably like, well, that's never happened. It probably won't, honestly. I don't have a high confidence level in 15 cents at all. I do think that maybe 16 cents could be targeted depending on Bitcoin. If we do come back down to 30K, who knows what will happen. I do think that we need to come down significantly lower, though, to actually see 16 cents. So I might actually push that buy zone back up to around like 17.85. And the reason why I do say 17.85 is because that actually seems like a strong support zone that we have been getting on like the 15-minute, but I'm on the 1 day right now. But anyways, I want to talk to you guys about this. Now, this is saying August 3rd could make things very interesting in crypto. With everything going on in July, you have to wonder. And I have been saying this as well. I actually mentioned even on my Twitter that I do think that the end of July into the beginning of August could be, it could show signs of some really big fireworks happening in the market. Now, I thought this was very interesting, considering, the connections with Google and also HBAR, but we do see in a policy statement published Wednesday, Google said that beginning August 3rd, advertisers offering cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets targeting in the United States may advertise those products and services when they meet the following requirements and are certified by Google. Now, this is obviously happening in August, which, like I said, a lot of things are happening even in July regarding regulations in crypto. A lot of stuff happening also with the financial system as well. So I wouldn't doubt if we get some good news regarding crypto by the end of July. And then obviously, I think I've mentioned in my past videos that by the end of August, we will be in a full relief pattern for crypto overall. Just my overall opinion. Let me know what you guys think about that down in the comments below. Now, I do want to talk to you guys about this. Now, if you guys do not know Kevin Cage, I obviously know him from XRP, and also he does do some videos on DAG and stuff like that. Definitely check him out if you guys haven't already. But we do see, yes, I am one of those people that believe many alts still need to make an all-time high versus their Bitcoin chart eventually. DAG did, well done. HBAR will someday as well. And when I've actually talked about the Bitcoin chart just recently. Now, this is the DAG Bitcoin chart, comparing it to the HBAR Bitcoin chart, which this is actually very interesting to look at, because it almost looks like a very similar pattern is playing out. Now, I do think that an HBAR breakout is very imminent. I think that we are ranging to have a major one, like I said, by the end of August. I think by the end of August, a lot of assets, especially HBAR, are most likely going to be performing very well. And the only reason why I say that is because there seems to be a lot more ranging news regarding good news around crypto instead of FUD. Now, also, I want to say the reason why I say by the end of August is because we are seeing a lot of inflation happening. We are also seeing a lot of moves with the dollar as well. I do think that a dollar collapse is going to happen very soon. Just my overall opinion regarding the inflation rates, as well as Jerome Powell and the Fed's overall, tightening of the system. I don't think that that's actually going to happen. I think that it's going to be the opposite, and I think that that's going to be very bullish for risk assets like the stock market and also crypto, because they are pro GDP growth, and I don't think that them pretty much tightening restrictions on inflation rate increases and stuff like that would be the move at the current moment. So I do think that we are going to see some major fireworks regarding HBAR and also all of crypto. Now, I do want to talk to you guys a little bit about this actually as well. We do see the Coinbase IPO marked the top of the bull market in the first half of 2021. The China FUD will mark the bottom of 2021 as well. The inflation and continued money printing will drive Bitcoin and Ethereum to new all-time highs in 2021. And this is my honest opinion on it as well. That's why I say, inflation and money printing, it's terrible for the dollar. Definitely even short term and also long term. I think this is going to be very bullish for crypto. I've talked about it. I've mentioned it. I even said it in the Discord. I said it on Twitter. I said it on my YouTube. I even warned people on TikTok as well, because I strongly believe that we are going to see a dollar collapse where we do see a market massive pump, even in stocks and crypto. So if you guys hold stocks and crypto, good for you. You will pretty much double down on your profits. I just think that we are ranging to see this very soon. I don't think that we're going to have to wait too much longer either. So let me know what you guys think about that. I'm very bullish on crypto and also risk assets long term and even short term as well. Now, like I said with Bitcoin, main thing to really kind of focus on is that 33.5K zone. Until we actually hit that, I'm not going to be too bullish. We have been making some significant moves. We bounced off of support quite well. Who knows? You know, we might be looking to buy here. We might be looking to sell here. Who knows? But just my opinion, we have to wait until tomorrow. Like I said, tomorrow is Sunday, which is the weekly close. We could see, you know, quite some moves. Just saying, you know. But we have to also watch for Monday, because when we do get moves on Sundays, usually it means bloody Mondays. So let me know what you guys think. I mean, and this is even, you know, when we look at, this is a Sunday pump, this is the Monday drop. So if we do play into this cycle, who knows? We got to really kind of see and analyze it overall. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on. If you guys do want more free content, you guys can follow me on Twitter at NCashOfficial. You guys can also join the free Discord down in the description below. I hope that you all have a beautiful day or beautiful night wherever you guys are in this beautiful world. This has been Nick. Peace out.